para umandar ulit ang PNPP1.
Mr. Chair.
So, well noted,
Mr. Chair?
Chairman Mark. Well
Mr.
noted.
Chair, in
We
the
will-
spirit
the
of
committee
fairness,
will,
Mr. Chair.
Write a letter to the local.
It
local
is a motion, Mr. Chairman. So, would somebody second it, please?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Duly
Second.
seconded,
Duly
Mr.
seconded.
Chairman.
And Mr. Chair, if I may, for fairness and equal protection.
May we have a ruling from the chair?
Yeah,
If
we don't have time already.
If
no?
the
Next time.
Ruling
motion
daw,
is
ruling.
carried,
Ruling,
a ruling,
na if the motion is carried. Sinecond ko na.
The motion is
Sinecond ko
carried.
nga. Okay.
yes.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
thank you.
in the spirit of fairness and equal protection, may we also invite the Sangguniang Bayan of Labrador, Pangasinan to be here? Kasi may resolution naman sila accepting nuclear energy. So, di ba? Generic naman tayo dito. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Second.
Ano po ang motion? Ano ang motion?
Just like the motion you made, I would like to move, Mr. Chair, na imbitahan din natin yung Sangguniang Bayan ng Labrador, Pangasinan.
I think you are not a member.
Because
you cannot move.
they are
You cannot
a,
move. Maybe somebody can, who's a member.
I move, Mr. Chair, to invite the Sangguniang Bayan of Labrador for to hear their side as well. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion. Okay. The motion is carried, no?
Okay,
So-
yes. Thank you.
So we don't have so much time. So thank you
Chair.
very much, resource person.
Chair, bago magtapos ba, ako, kinancel ko yung